Welcome to the College of Design. My name is Arturo Zavala. I'm the Associate Director of Advising.
Welcome. My name is Michelle Garibay, and I'm an academic advisor.
Hello, my name is Louis Bottaro. I also am an academic advisor.
Hi, my name is Rachel McNee. I'm an interim academic advisor here in the College of Design.
My name is Kristen Greiger, and I am a career advisor and senior instructor with College of Design Student Services.
The College of Design is made up of 3 schools and 1 department. First, we have the School of Architecture and Environment, which offers majors and minors in architecture, interior architecture, and landscape architecture. Second, we have the School of Art and Design, which offers majors in art and technology, and product design. They also offer minors in art and multimedia. Third, we have the School of Planning, Public Policy, and Management, otherwise known as 3PM, which offers a major and minor in 3PM, as well as a minor in nonprofit administration. Lastly, we have the Department of the History of Art and Architecture, which offers a major and minor in art history. Some of our programs do require a formal admissions application, but please do not let this discourage you from applying. We have academic advisors who are happy to assist you with this. We also have programs that do not require a formal application, and you can simply self-declare online.
There are 4 academic advisors in the College of Design.
You can meet with my dad or Louis or Michelle or Rachel.
It doesn't matter your program, your major, or your minor. We
Yeah.
work with you.
Why would you want to meet with an academic advisor? Why? A lot of reasons. People are going to think of the automatic ones are, how to build a schedule, how to pick classes, how to build a graduation plan. Also, you may want to talk about my dog and how cute she is, or you may want to talk about the upcoming season of the Book of Boba Fett. There's a lot of reasons you're going to talk to an academic advisor. Studying abroad and the value of that. How do you explore different majors or minors? Maybe your current major isn't the one you want to do. Maybe you're going to want to talk to us and figure out a new route. That's great.
As an incoming student, we want to get you to meet with us on a consistent basis at key specific times. We're talking late October, middle of February, and early May. That's to plan and prepare for the upcoming term.
The classes you're registering for today are going to be done by December.
So during November is when you're going to want to register for your upcoming courses. You need to come in for an advising session, having looked at some of the tools that I'm teaching you now, and have ideas of classes that you would like to take in winter term. And again, in spring term, when we're registering for those. And then in May, you'll register for next fall term's classes. This is how we do it. As you get into the second year and beyond, you might only meet with us once a year or so, because you're going to know the plan of courses that you want to take.
As a career advisor, I work with College of Design students from their first year through their final year to help them explore their interests, their values, and their skills, and figure out how all of that translates into post-graduation career paths. And then I help students achieve those post-graduation goals by learning how to put together application materials like writing a resume, and also how to conduct searches. So how to find internships to help you get experience before you graduate, and also how to search for those post-graduation opportunities. So I look forward to working with you to help you achieve your career goals.
If you have not yet logged onto your DuckWeb account, now's a good time to pull that up and take a look around. I'm going to show you some of the main tools that we find especially helpful here at the U of O.
You'll want to check for holds every term by logging onto DuckWeb, click Student Menu, then View Holds. If you have a hold on your account, it will be listed here, along with contact information for that office that can release the hold. If it says no holds exist on your record, then you're good to go. If a hold is listed, contact the appropriate office. It may take several days to release the hold, so you want to take care of it as soon as possible.
Back on our student menu, you're going to pull up the transfer evaluation report on the left-hand column. This is where you can view any transfer, AP, or IB work, anything that may have transferred as college credit to the U of O. You want to make sure and take some time to look in here and verify that all the credits that you believe should transfer have. Back on our student menu, we'll head into the registration menu. This is where you can find registration tools such as Schedule Builder or Add Drop Classes. These are the most important tools that you'll be able to use when you're registering for classes. It's important to note that we don't register you for your classes. You are in charge of registering for all of your own classes every term. Finally, back on our student menu, let's head into the text schedule. You can access that by going into your student class schedule and then clicking on the text format. And this is where you'll be able to view if you're already enrolled in any FIG classes. So if there's any classes here prior to you registering for classes yourself, that means that you are enrolled in a FIG and you can view what time that class will be offered at. If you're not enrolled in a FIG and you would like to be, you can check out our FIG offerings, this link here. Outside of DuckWeb, we're going to head into classes.uoregon.edu.
Classes.uoregon.edu is the official class schedule published week 5 for the following term.
When you're on here, you can use the class search by term tool, and you can search for classes that fall under the various areas of inquiry. For example, arts and letters, social science, and science. It's important to get a list of about 3 classes in each area of inquiry prior to your advising workshop. That way we can help you make a full schedule for fall term. And lastly, we'll want you to go ahead and sign up for your advising workshop. This is going to be done by major, and you can find the information on how to schedule this session by going back to the email where you were linked to this video. In this email, there's also a worksheet that we provide, which you can use to help pick open classes that are appropriate for freshmen if you have no idea where to start. Once you've completed your advising sessions, you will then be authorized to register for your fall term classes. Don't forget to take your placement tests prior to your advising sessions. Finally, welcome to the College of Design, and we look forward to working with you.